After your birth date, there is no purpose. You are just running toward death, and there will be no any breaks. Even if you are sleeping, you are running toward your death. There is no anything which can stop you from running at a constant speed toward your own death. This is the concept I have learned or I have heard at the retreat of 10 days in Vipassana when I was in Meerut. Then there was a 10 days Vipassana, that is a 10-day complete meditation retreat where there were no any devices, no nothing, and there will be only you'll get food and you'll get your room. There will be nothing else rather than doing meditation, and I was meditating literally more than 10 or 12 hours a day. We were, let me tell you the entire routine. A person, like just take an example of me, a person is waking up at 4 a.m, doing his normal routine and getting up for meditation and going into the meditation hall from 4:30 to 6:30. Then at 6:30 there will be a breakfast, you can say, a little bit, a very light breakfast. After that we jump to meditation and we do meditate around 12 or 1 p.m, and then at no, not 12 or 1 p.m, 11 or 12 p.m, 11 or 12, 11 a.m or 12 p.m. Then we do our lunch, and after that we do meditation of 4 or 5 hours on a one sitting, probably about at 4 p.m, and then we have another evening dinner time, because we do dinner at usually 5 p.m. There will be no any food rule or meal rule after 5 p.m, and we were taking dinner at 5 or 6, and then again 3-4 hour meditation. Then at 9 or 8 or 8 or bit somewhere between 8 or 9 p.m we were going to sleep. This was the entire routine. At that time I have heard this thing that you are running toward your death. Even if I am recording this video, I am running toward my death. You are listening, you are running toward death. And even if you are sleeping, I am sleeping, we all are running toward death, because we cannot stop that, and we are running at a very constant speed. That is, you can say, that is already decided, and you are running. Hypothetically, leave those different scenarios where we got our accident or some accidental death, leave that. But if you are doing very normal activities, your death is very normal, you are running at a very constant speed. So what is the purpose of telling this concept? Let me tell you a very, not a very deep, but probably useful for you. When you know you cannot stop your death, why to do something which make you live this life more happier? I'm not talking about make yourself memorable, but like Mahatma Gandhi, leave those things. I do not know if you are dead and how you will remember that, and how you will know that now you are printed on those papers on cash. I do not believe, but I believe that you are living here. At least make your those moments happy, satisfying, so that after death you do not have anything to regret. What I mean by saying this, let me show you something. This is my Thor rocks. So why I have bought this? Because it is materialistic and I wanted to buy this, and that is the reason I bought this. That is a very simple reason. I do not love vehicles, but yeah, I have bought to make some status in society. And if I am dead, I do not know what will happen to me, what will happen to my body, will somebody cry on my death or not. But what I know, that when I'm alive here, I can make myself feel better. I can do a lot of things which make me more satisfied. So why to wait for your debt? Do those things which make you happy, make you feel really satisfying from beneath. Like in my company there are more than 10 guys, not 10. In my company there are more than 40 people who are on their way to earn, and there are probably more than 5 guys who have made almost a lakh. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see those cash in their hand. There was a situation, I remember it very clearly. Just a week before, there was a guy. I will not take his name, but he made at and he is in just 11th class, and he made 20,000, and he just took those cash in hand, and I started crying. Why? Because I felt really, really good for him, and I, I felt that wow, I'm doing very good thing in this world. So do those things which makes you feel better. Like हो सकता है, sorry for using Hindi. It might be making your parent happy, it might be making yourself proud, it might be buying a helicopter, it might be buying a Thar Rocks like me, it might be living a life where you are healthy, you are doing your workout, it might be reading books, it might be anything, it might be any fucking thing. So do those things, and I'm just creating these English video just to make my challenge very done. That is 36 days of English speaking in first quarter of 2026. I do not know you are my lover, or sorry for using the word lover. I do not know you love me or hate me, but at least you know me. It's a quote of Grant Cardone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.